We are pleased to show you the 2023 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, LED headlights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.